after me now.
Okay, what's up people? So actually we just arrived in like a minute at the construction site, and this is a really tough one. You have like streets with a lot of parked cars. There's a bus coming. Okay, I have to get my yellow lights on. Please wait. Nice. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, he's waiting too. It's easy. Yeah, actually you see this new build area around here, and there is like another entry where I have to unload the truck, and we have to reverse into that little street with like a small end. Well, it's not a small a closed end, but I just can't get around the curve right there. So this is a construction site. You already see some stones right there, and we have to reverse into that street right here, but not through the right mirror. So I don't know if you don't know this, well, if you're not a truck driver, maybe not, but it's always harder to reverse into streets when you have to do it while you're looking into the right mirror, because it's more far away than the left one and you can't stick your head out. And yeah, so now we are just looking for a place where we can turn here. Oh, I want to go further. This looks good. Okay, get turn signals on. Not a big deal. So now let's get back to the entry. There is a car coming, but he can wait now. I'm tired of waiting now. That is or closer than I thought, I guess. Okay, so let's unload. I will block the road anyway.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
We just unloaded the truck. Took us around 15 minutes. And now, let's get out of here. Coming. Hopefully there is not a lot of traffic in front of us, and then it will be pretty easy. Now I have to check to my right, but I can't see shit. There's no one. Oh, and we're out. Okay, so now I'm just going back to the highway. Hopefully you can enjoy it. For me it was pretty nice. Had a lot of fun. Help me out, support the channel. Check out my other videos, and we see us next time.